For decades, satellites have been launched, used, and then quietly abandoned in orbit. But that's about to change. In 2027, a private mission will do something never attempted before: track down inactive satellites and inspect them up close in space. In this video, we'll explore how this mission works, why it's a turning point for space operations, and what it could unlock for the future of orbital sustainability. At the center of this story is a bold mission led by Astroscale Japan, a company focused on solving one of space's fastest growing challenges. What happens after satellites stop working? Their upcoming mission, called ISSA-J1, is scheduled for launch in 2027 and aims to achieve something no private spacecraft has done before: directly inspect multiple inactive satellites in orbit. The targets of this mission are two Japanese satellites that have long since ended their operations: the Advanced Land Observing Satellite, known as ALOS, and the Advanced Earth Observing Satellite 2, or ADEOS-II. Both remain in orbit years after their missions concluded. From the ground, they appear as distant objects with limited observable detail. But ISSA-J1 will change that by approaching them closely and capturing detailed data about their condition. What makes this mission especially impressive is its complexity. The spacecraft will not just visit a single target. Instead, it will travel between different orbital paths to inspect both satellites. This requires precise navigation, advanced propulsion control, and the ability to safely approach objects that are no longer actively communicating or stabilizing themselves. Each phase of the mission follows a carefully planned sequence: approach the satellite, conduct a detailed inspection, then move away and transition to a new orbit. This cycle will be repeated for both targets, demonstrating a level of operational flexibility that has rarely been seen in space missions. This is more than a technical demonstration. It represents a shift in how we interact with satellites after their primary missions end. Instead of leaving them as unknown objects drifting in space, this mission introduces the idea that we can actively revisit and analyze them. That alone opens the door to entirely new possibilities in how space systems are managed. To understand why this mission matters, it's important to look at the current limitations of satellite operations. Once a satellite stops functioning, operators lose most of their insight into its condition. They can track its position and movement from Earth, but they cannot determine what caused the failure or how the structure has changed over time. This lack of visibility creates uncertainty. Engineers are often left making assumptions based on incomplete data. That makes it harder to design better systems, plan recovery efforts, or predict how inactive satellites might behave in orbit. ISSA-J1 directly addresses this gap. By inspecting satellites up close, the mission can provide detailed information about their physical state. This includes surface damage, structural integrity, and the condition of key components. Such insights have never been available at this level of detail for inactive satellites. This new layer of understanding changes how decisions can be made. Instead of relying on estimates, operators can base future strategies on real observations. For example, if a satellite shows signs of specific wear patterns, engineers can adjust designs to prevent similar issues. If certain components remain intact, it may even influence how future servicing missions are planned. There's also a broader operational impact. Space is becoming increasingly crowded, with more satellites being launched every year. Managing this growing environment requires better awareness of what is already in orbit. ISSA-J1 contributes to that awareness by turning unknown objects into well-understood assets. In many ways, this mission introduces a new phase in space operations. It moves the industry beyond simple deployment and monitoring into a more advanced model, where satellites can be assessed, understood, and potentially supported even after their initial mission ends. That shift has long-term implications for efficiency, reliability, and sustainability in space. Once the ability to inspect satellites in orbit is established, the next step becomes clear: servicing them. ISSA-J1 is not designed to repair or refuel satellites, but it lays the foundation for those capabilities by proving that close interaction is possible and practical. Imagine a future where satellites are no longer treated as single-use systems. Instead, they could be maintained, upgraded, or even extended beyond their original lifespan. Inspection is the first step in that process, because understanding a satellite's condition is essential before any form of servicing can take place. This opens the door to a wide range of possibilities. Satellites could be refueled to continue operating for years longer than expected. Components could be adjusted or replaced to restore functionality. Inactive satellites could even be safely guided out of orbit to reduce congestion. These ideas are becoming increasingly important as space activity accelerates. With thousands of satellites already in orbit and many more planned, sustainability is no longer optional. It has become a priority for agencies and private companies alike. ISSA-J1 also signals the emergence of a new sector within the space industry: in-orbit services. This includes inspection, maintenance, and long-term asset management. As these capabilities develop, they could transform how missions are designed from the beginning. Satellites might be built with servicing in mind, making them more adaptable and resilient over time. There's also a strategic dimension to this shift. Countries and organizations that develop strong servicing capabilities will have greater control over their space infrastructure. They will be able to maintain their assets more effectively and respond to challenges with greater flexibility. In this context, ISSA-J1 is more than a single mission. It is a proof of concept that demonstrates how space operations can evolve. It shows that sustainability is not just a goal, it is becoming an achievable reality through innovation and advanced technology. What makes this mission so important is not just what it does, but what it represents. For the first time, a private spacecraft will revisit inactive satellites and reveal details that were once out of reach. That simple shift changes how we think about everything in orbit. Space is no longer a place where systems are used and left behind. It is becoming an environment that can be managed, maintained, and understood. And that raises a powerful question. If we can inspect satellites today, how soon will we routinely service them? The future of space may depend on that answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.